Welcome to Berlin Insider Tips and Tricks. This is tip number 2, crossing at the traffic lights. It may sound so mundane about crossing at the traffic lights, but it's a tip for you to be safe when you come to Berlin. So back in East Germany, there was a traffic light guy, born in 1961, invented by Karl Peglau, a traffic psychologist. I did not even know there was a thing such as traffic psychology until I learned about the traffic light guy from East Germany, this guy right here. Traffic psychology. Light turns red, what does he do? He's got his arms wide, showing don't cross now. When the light goes green, with his hat on, he's walking across the street, showing you what to do when the light turns green. We're talking about traffic light etiquette here in Berlin, because if you walk and the light is red, you'll get the dreaded tut from the local people. We want you to be safe, be sound, be careful at the traffic lights, only go when it's green.